Welcome to our video on the top 5 games to earn gift cards for gaming in 2025. Today, we'll explore how you can maximize your gaming time into real rewards. We based our selections on gameplay quality, earning potential, community engagement, and more. Let's dive in. First up is Game 1. This exciting title offers immersive gameplay and unique mechanics. Here's how you can earn gift cards while playing. Next, let's look at Game 2. Known for its unique features and user-friendly experience, it stands out in the earning potential department. Game 3 excels in community engagement with a rewarding rewards system that benefits dedicated players. Here's how it works. In fourth place is Game 4, renowned for its accessibility across multiple platforms. You can earn gift cards easily, wherever you play. Finally, Game 5 is making waves with its future potential. Industry experts have high hopes for its evolving rewards system. Here are some tips for maximizing your gift card earnings across these games, ensuring you get the most out of your playtime. In conclusion, these top games not only provide fun, but also great opportunities to earn gift cards. Don't miss out. We encourage you to try out these games and let us know your experiences in the comments. Happy gaming!